that we have decided in our life कुछ भी नहीं होगा. I don't might not be as we think it is. I think boundaries बहुत limited होती हैं. Manage my personal life and my college life, which you meet different sorts of people, so you need to be. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm Koheli and I was about to post this particular video कुछ time पहले ही, but it's so goddamn hot here. So to everybody watching this video, please stay hydrated. In fact, take a sip right now. Yeah, stay hydrated though. Anyways, let's get started with the video. So I remember the last vlog that I've put up, I mentioned that I'm gonna make a vlog or some sort of sit down videos on my journey as a college graduate and everything. So this is the video that I came up with, and yeah, let's get started. So for today's sit down video, our topic is things I wish I knew before graduating. So there are a lot of things actually I have jotted down into few points that I'm gonna talk about today. But I think it's an individual experience. शायद कुछ चीज़ें हैं that I've experienced that you might not or will not experience. But I think कुछ चीज़ें हैं that's common as well, because obviously it's our first time experiencing everything, and yeah, I'm gonna list down some points. Hope this video will help you all. Point number 1, your plan will crumble. Now I do not mean that जो भी that we have decided in our life कुछ भी नहीं होगा. I don't mean that, but sometimes I think the expectations that we are set before we are going to college, it's pretty high, and at times it might not be as we think it is. For in my case, I did not have a lot of expectation, but there was a huge shock because means कि school में I think boundaries बहुत limited होती हैं, and when you are enrolling into a college, it's like a lot of people, and that was my reaction. Like there were a lot of people, and I planned a lot of things. I planned on staying track when it comes to my syllabus, when it comes to my routine. I thought I'll manage my personal life and my college life, which was a whole different game. So yeah, you should plan, you should definitely plan, but chances are that it might work in some other way, which might be good for you. Point number 2, you might or might not end up with the same set of friends by the end of your graduation. Now for me, luckily I would say, touch wood, I've had friends since my first year till my final year. Although I've lost contact with a few of my friends, personal reasons, but I still am in contact, very much in contact with the people who are close to me, and they've been my friends since first year, and I'm really grateful. We talk quite a lot, and I really hope it remains the same way. But I've seen a lot of groups divide and crumble, and it's really heartbreaking, honestly, because in first year you feel like it's gonna last forever, and at times it just doesn't. So all I want you all to know is in college everyone wants कि उनका काम निकल जाए कहीं से, right? So you need to be very aware when it comes to friends. If you are someone who likes to study, who focuses more towards running classes and studying and not anything else, choose group very wisely, because you know, college is a wild place. You meet different sorts of people, so you need to be really careful. But other than that, in my case, I've had great memories with my friends. I've made amazing memories. We hung out so much with like 4 years throughout our degree. So it was fun, and I'm sure you all have fun time too. So never be afraid to be the first one to talk, to make friends, because connection is important. But yeah, please be careful. Point number 3. Now this point I think I've realized it pretty later on in my life, which is skill is so much more important than your degree. Now by that I do not mean you are continuously failing your classes and everything and you're just staying at home and learning stuff. You need to maintain a decent CGPA or GPA, and at the same time you need to focus on practical skills, because at the end of the day I think you can always learn theoretical stuffs, but the practical things you need to work on it. You need to put a lot of your time to work on it, and you're gonna get job on basis of that. Sadly, I quite did not focus much on practical things initially in my few first semesters and years, but later on I did realize it is very important, very much. Point number 4. This is for anyone जो hostel में का plan है जाने का. I think the most important thing that you can do is you can keep a track of costs of anything that you are paying, that you are buying, that जहाँ पे भी आपका पैसा लगाया जा रहा है, because it's very important to keep track, because you never know how it's gonna, you know, how you're gonna spend it. And I learned it from my roommate, and we used to buy things when we used to contribute. She taught me how it is important to keep track of things, and also to someone जिसका कॉलेज घर के पास है, घर से कम्यूट करेगा, you can keep track of your pocket money, you know. This way you will learn how to save, definitely. Point number 5. You will grieve your campus self. Now for me, I was a very introvert kid as a first year, but I really miss that girl who was figuring out everything. I miss giving assignments. Yeah, I know. But I miss seeing my friends every single day and hanging out with my friends, attending lectures, although it used to be really hectic. But there are going to be days you're going to reminisce about it. But yeah, you're going to get back to reality and you're like, fine, I'm over with college, so happy. Point number 6. Comparison is a career killer. Now for me, around second year I started setting up my LinkedIn account, and it was really fun initially and it is really important also, but by third to fourth year I started surfing it just like my Instagram, and it was so toxic to the point I used to compare with every single people who used to post that they got job or they got any sort of achievement, and it made me really sad. There are days that I still feel sad. I simply choose to just put my phone aside and not look at these apps or not look at LinkedIn and stuff, because it's gonna kill your vibe. It's gonna kill your what do you call it, like passion. You're gonna feel like you're not doing enough, and that is the worst kind of feeling. So yeah, avoid it at times when you feel like it is overwhelming. Point number 7. Your degree doesn't define you. Now it is important to have a valuable degree, definitely, because you're going to be hired on the basis of your degree, but I've seen a lot of people pursuing some other degree and they landed in some different place. So what I mean by this point is always follow your passion. If you know you have something, you have a degree, so you don't need to worry, but definitely if you get a chance to follow your passion, choose that. Definitely choose that, because there are a lot of people who are pursuing a lot of different things in life and it worked out well for them. Point number 8. Steal those contacts. Now by that I mean, for an example, I had this teacher in my third year, and I had really I was like his one of those students to rose class aate the, so I used to get a lot of attention, and we were like discussing about a lot of different things, and it was completely over and everything. In my final year I needed help regarding my research paper, and luckily he was in the college, and I tried to ask him for help, and he really helped me a lot, like a lot. And yeah, that's how you know you need to keep contact with the faculties, you need to keep contact with all the people who are at a good position in college, because they're gonna help you in times when you really need it. So make sure to do that. And also in LinkedIn as well, try networking, because chances are you might get a job through that. So yeah. Point number 9. Scan everything. To all those people who might go to colleges to visit or to get admission and everything, scan everything properly. And by that I do not mean कि admission area घूम के आ गए, इधर उधर थोड़ा घूम के आ गए, नहीं. Scan everything, know everything about that college. The biggest mistake that I did, and also मैं COVID के वक्त मेरा college शुरू हुआ था, so I didn't get much chance to do that. But to all the people जिनको अभी chance मिल रहा है, do that. It's going to be really helpful for you to decide if this is a good college for you or not. Point number 10, to all those people जो थर्ड फोर्थ ईयर में हैं, the last time minded, like जब हम थर्ड फोर्थ ईयर में आ गए थे, we used to hang out with each other a lot, we used to spend time with each other thinking कि ठीक है अब आगे क्या होगा, अब क्या होगा, ये क्या होगा. So हम कभी पीछे नहीं थे कि we won't make any kind of memories. So that's what I'm gonna say. Meet new people, make friends, hang out with them, grow, explore, and yeah, make a lot of memories. So yeah, these were all the points that I could think of. And for me, honestly, yeah, college was a great time where I could explore a lot about me, and it changed me in a way I think I could never have thought. I've turned into a person who could look at the camera and talk, which I could not do years back. So I think that's a win. But yeah, to all those people who will be going to college pretty soon, all the best. You're gonna have a great time, and it's gonna be a roller coaster ride, honestly. But just know that it's a great experience. So enjoy. Other people who has graduated, congratulations, we did it, and all the best for your future. So thank you so much for all those people जिन्होंने अभी तक यहाँ तक वीडियो देखा है. I'm really grateful. Please like this video, comment down what part did you like the most, and yeah, which part was relatable to you, and share it to someone who might need it. Until next time, bye bye.